from 4x4 shop. Today we install our interface video to do 360 camera for a 2017 BMW 3 Series F30. That's where we mount the front camera OEM fit. And these are the side cameras, replacing the whole under cup for the side mirrors, one on driver's side and one on passenger side. And the backup camera is right here, OEM fit license plate light replacing. And the side camera for passenger side. So we just take the car for a test drive. So the unit is MBT Evo. That's how the menu looks like. And by going to reverse, the screen switch to 360 camera. We have the back view and also 360 on the left side with the dynamic parking guideline on both sides. So by going to drive, it's gonna stay on till we reach to some certain speed, and then it switch to the main menu. And I'm using the right signal light. Camera from right side goes on for the blind spot, and it switched to front camera. By using left signal light, it switched to blind spot for left signal light. Right now I want to park in a parking lot between the two lines to see how is the camera working. So right now I'm perfectly fine. And we can go outside and check how did we park. Right signal light, left signal light, and just drive. Right signal light. Between two cars. you're interested to get this type of 360 cameras for your Mercedes, BMW or Audi, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day. Also, we can change the view for the cameras by using the iDrive knob. Right now it's the front view. I can change it to back view. I can change it to left side, right side, top view, left and right, back view, left and right. So I can switch between all these modes. And I'm using the iDrive now. Right now we set the front camera for 10 seconds. We can reduce it to 5 seconds or any other setting that we want. And by touching the hazard light, we can go to the camera too. That's how we can activate the camera while we drive. Or if any emergency happens, when the car stops, we can have different angles from the camera.